Look what I got! I got this yesterday. We went to Fimeco, which is a dealer for Hasselblad here in Helsinki, Finland. And we went there together with my friend Matti Sulanto, who I have a Finnish YouTube channel called Valoaloilla. We're going to test this for a couple of weeks for that. I had a chance to test this today for a couple of hours. I went to Vanhakaupunginlahti, which is the old place in Helsinki, which is actually where Helsinki was born. And we'll talk about that. But before, go check out Matti's channel. He has some great stuff in YouTube, also in English. And I will put the link here somewhere in the screen for you to see. Check out his channel after you watch this video. It's some great stuff Matti has there. The first thing that I noticed about this was that it's quite heavy. I'm used to shooting with Olympus OMD EM1 Mark II, which is not that heavy. And this seemed to be really heavy, and as you can see, it's quite big. And of course the grip is really firm for a big hand also, and all the knobs are in very good places. And of course the image quality is magnificent. What would you expect with the mid-format digital mirrorless camera, as you can see. I don't know if I mentioned, but it's the X1D. Yeah, that I did not mention that before, but that's what it is. I took some shots, which you can see here in my today's video, and there are a couple of things that I would like this to have. One is a image stabilization, some kind, either in the sensor or in the lens, because it's quite heavy and the big sensor, so that very long shutter speeds are not an option without a tripod. And I'm used to having a 5.5 stop stabilizer in my Olympus, so I can make like 1 second exposures like that. It's no problem. But with this, I didn't test how long shutter speeds I can take, but it was kind of hard, and I got a few images that were out of focus, or not out of focus, but it would, you know, had some camera shake in it. Then another thing that I could not find anywhere, how to put a histogram while taking the image. When I look through the viewfinder, that I could get the histogram in there, so I could see the exposure, so that it's going to be correct. Of course the automatic exposure works fine, and then you can have the exposure compensation here in the back dial, which works really nicely. When this came out, they had this video about somebody using this like a street photography, a casual photography, and for that I think it's a little bulky and big, and if I would use this for something, I would use this for portraits. This would be a great portrait camera. But of course, the price on this one is 8,000 euros in Finland with the taxes. So it's not every man's camera or every woman's camera either. It's of course Hasselblad. It's Hasselblad. Of course, it's like Leica. If you want one, then you just get one. We have this most likely for 2 weeks with Matti, and I think I will make a proper video while doing some imaging on my channel, on this channel, later in let's say in 2 weeks. And then we have the one in Valoaloilla in our Finnish channel, and maybe most likely Matti will do also his opinions on this. So I had a very exciting day to use this, and it's a great camera. Hey, this was today's About Me and Photography, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.